Welcome to Decay Factor. Today is Monday, September 22nd, 2025. Let's take a look at the market and see what's happening today. We're going to switch our watch list over here to Glance, and we're going to go to the symbols and sort this. So we can see that the E-mini S&Ps are up by 0.5%, with the VIX futures also up by 1.41%. Let's take a look at some of our outliers here. Apple is up by 4.3%, Nvidia up 3.9%, Tesla's up 1.9%, IWM is 0.6% up, with the Q's up 0.64% up, and the SPY, of course, is up 0.5%. Microsoft is the only red, and Amazon, Microsoft being down 0.65%, and Amazon down 1.7%. Let's take a look at our portfolio here. We're going to sort it by alphabetical order. And let's take a look at positions with legs in the money. We have a straddle here in BE. Let's go to the analysis tab. We can see here that we're trading outside of our straddle on the north side. We did have some positive P&L today. I think I'm just going to hold on to this one until we get a little bit closer to 21 DTE and then roll it out. From the looks of it, I can roll expirations right now for $10 credit. So I've got some room here with this 857 average trade price to recenter and get that one back into a better place without just totally destroying it. Baidu is vertical short call spread. We're trading way out here on the north side of that one, hanging out around in this zone. We could consider opening a short call there if we think that it'll hang out there. We'll circle back to that one. Chipotle, we have the short put defending this short put spread that's gone against us. We've had, I wouldn't call it a rally, but maybe a slight move up in Chipotle here in the last couple of days, moving a little bit closer to the center of this 3 ATR. So we can kind of expect that it'll hang out in that zone here, but you can see that our short put is working for us. What does our short put look like? Short put's up $19 today, up $35 overall on that short put. And say that. Let me go back over here and pull this out a little bit further so we can see both positions here. Yeah, both positions as a whole, they're down $88. The short put's up $35, and the vertical put spread's down $123. All right. Could open up another short put spread in there if we wanted to, but I think I may leave that one alone. Let's take a look at GFI, also trading north of the short call, down 105. Collected $1 initially, and we're down $1. Let's look at HUT, inverted strangle, looking to uninvert this one later this week. We are just slightly within our range here, but looking to uninvert this one later this week. And then IREN is short call spread, also trading outside of our spreads. All right, let's look at the DTE, 25 DTE, which means we have 21 DTE coming up on this Friday in 4 days. We also have BABA is 32 DTE, so we'll keep an eye on that one. IVR, nothing below 26 here. Earnings, we have Pepsi coming up on 10/9, and the rest of those are just over a month out. Nothing we need to do there. Let's take a look at this Iron Condor and Pepsi real quick. We are between our short strikes. We're up about $9. If we fall down any more, we might not be breaking even on this one from a daily P&L standpoint. That's okay. We'll keep it on and see what happens. So not really anything that I plan on doing today. The market's been really quiet today, other than, these up moves here that we're seeing. Let's take a look at the SPY and look at where we're at here. So if we zoom in here, we're inside of that 3 ATR range, just starting to flirt with it, that boundary here. If you're looking for a direction to go, I would try to get a little short here. But again, that really hasn't served us well historically either this last couple of weeks. So yeah, take that however you wish. That said, we are touching this 3 ATR. The last time we touched the 3 ATR in the SPY was, well, we touched it here on September 18th. We came down a bit. We touched it right around in here. Came down just a bit from that one. Before, when we touched it, was right around in here. We had a little bit of a pullback, so but gosh, we touched it here, and then we came up, and we didn't really come back down from it for a while. So I think I'm just going to hold tight with a short portfolio delta that I have. Not really any adjustments that I want to make today. I'm going to start rolling stuff here in a couple of days, or as we get a little bit closer to Friday. So nothing exciting happening today. Let's take a look at the watch list and see if there's anything here. I did update my watch list a bit. I increased my minimum volume to 10 million here. So everything here should have a minimum volume of 10 million. And I'm only looking at 4-star liquidity, and then sorting by the 5-day change as always, just to see if there's any opportunities here that I feel like hopping into. I really didn't see anything today. We're already outside of market hours now, so nothing that we can really do in here. But anyway, just wanted to give you a quick recap. I did look at the watch list earlier today, and there wasn't anything that I felt comfortable putting on. So this is going to be a quick video today. Things will get a little bit more exciting later in the week. And so stay tuned and check us out again tomorrow for Tuesday's episode. And we look forward to rolling on Friday. All right. Thanks for watching.